So here I just washed my car. It looks so good. Don't look so good. But these. Now I'm going to do something about this. So I got a comparison. So basically, how you go to Walmart or you go to the mall, you go somewhere, there's somebody that's standing there and they say for $5 or $10, $15, I will clean your lights. Your lights are all foggy. And I was saying to myself, I was asking my baby, I was like, are my lights on? He's like, yeah, they're on. I'm like, they're not as bright as everybody else's. I need to fix my lights. So here we go. You can test it with me. I'm going to test it for you. They said toothpaste and baking soda. We'll scrub it. It'll work. And they also said baking soda and vinegar. And they also said a magic eraser. So we're going to try all three. Because I've already done it. Listen, I already tried everything. I tried Windex. I tried Armor All. I tried soap and water. I tried everything. So don't play with it. So here we go. I'm going to mix up some toothpaste. It can't be gel, it's a regular toothpaste. I'm going to mix up some toothpaste and some baking soda. I'm going to do a part. Then I'm going to mix up some baking soda and some white vinegar. Then I'm going to do my magic eraser. So we're going to see which one comes out the best. But the first one they said is just toothpaste and cloth by itself. So we're going to do toothpaste by itself and some cloth and then wash it off. I'm going to go right here so we can see the difference between the two. This is just plain Jane toothpaste. I use plain toothpaste. Mine don't have any fluoride in it. I used the Colgate, but it was gel, and they said don't use gel because it's kind of like the abrasive in this other toothpaste that cleans it off. Now, as you see, I'm going to rinse it. I got my little setup. I am off the chain. It's going to work this out. You guys, go Deidre. Woo, look at this, you guys. This is really good. Look at the difference. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is the other side. This is the side I just did with just toothpaste. I'll tell you, when you finish doing it, you have to cover it with like an Armor All or something because it can come back. It's just oxidation. All right, so that's just toothpaste. It's a big difference. Okay, let's go to the next one. One is baking soda and white vinegar. So here's baking soda, and I have white vinegar in here. So a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar. Just made a little paste of baking soda. I think I'm gonna add a little more baking soda just to give it a nice little more gritty, because they say it's the grit that takes off the I guess it's like a foam or something on it. And then this is my white vinegar, and I'll put a little bit in here. Vinegar is good for cleaning anything. So there we go. We got a nice little paste of baking soda and vinegar. Okay, now we're going to do the second half. My baking soda and vinegar. I'm going to put it on this rag and just, they said to use this kind of rag towel. This baking soda and vinegar comes out the best. You can see it shining already. Actually, when we compare it to the toothpaste, I haven't even rinsed it yet. Look at the toothpaste. I could literally, if I wanted to, go back over this with my baking soda, but I'm going to just not do it yet. I'm going to compare it so you can see the difference. Okay, now I'm just going to clean it off with this wet wipe. Basically, you can always see that the baking soda and the vinegar beat out the toothpaste. The toothpaste still has a little film to it. It's not all the way clean. Even if I cleaned it again, it's still not, it's going to go back to what its old thing is. But this baking soda and vinegar, you guys need to do baking soda and vinegar. This is off the chain. I'm going to take it. You know what? We already know that the baking soda and vinegar beat out the toothpaste. I'm just going to go ahead and clean off all the rest of this stuff because you might as well. So you can use, household remedies in the house clean your windows off, and you heard it from me. I mean, not windows, but your lights. I'm telling you, I ain't teach y'all nothing. Okay, now so far you can already see the difference between the baking soda and white vinegar side, because I went over the toothpaste because baking soda, white vinegar won. Now this side is all foggy, and I'm getting ready to come in here with the magic eraser and see what that does. That can compete against the vinegar and baking soda. Okay, so I got my magic eraser. This is the side that's the magic eraser, but this is the scrub side, but this is the side. So let's check it out. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it off now and see what happens. But it did come kind of clean, look. Alright, so it looks pretty good. Let me clean it off. Alright, that's my magic eraser. It did pretty good. I still think that let me see, the vinegar. What do y'all think? I think the magic eraser beat out the vinegar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the magic eraser with the vinegar. Not the baking soda, with the vinegar. For the right hand side. But basically, we do know you're going to get it really, really clean. But the magic eraser beats everybody out. So you heard it from me. I'm telling you, it's the magic eraser over the baking soda and vinegar. But nah, it's the baking soda and vinegar on the right. It won over magic eraser. Yep.